Aha! Got it!
You're a good boy, aren't you?
What? Woof, woof. Doggy! Come here quickly!
What is it, little bird?
Who took him?
Wait, they took it? The red one?
Doggy! Come here quickly!
I'll go get it back.
Wait.
Bark, 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 bark!
Oh, hey boy, I didn't see you there.
Arf, arf, bark, arf! Woof, woof, bark, bark, woof, woof, bark!
Ah, the treasure is mine. Now, let's just make sure it stays put.
What in the world? It's a chick!
That looks delicious. What in the...
You'll never catch me. This egg is mine.
Doggy! Come here quickly!
What on earth is going on here?
Ah, found you. Let's see what makes you so special. Just as I thought.
All right, boy, guard the coop. Stay here. I'll be back soon.
Ruff!
Oh no! They saw me! Don't look at them! Stay still!
Got it, Cacao.
Oh no!
It's not here. Who took it?
Didn't I tell you to guard properly? Where did you go? How was the egg stolen? You will be punished for this.
Wait, look! The thief is heading for the hills. Let's go!
A green one looks valuable. Better check for cracks. Perfect!
Come on, guys, we have to find her.
Hey, look out, here he comes! Grab the cage! Got it! Almost got away with it.
Oh, no. Where did they go? Someone took them all.
Not my babies.
Run! Everybody run!
Give us back our chicks!
Yay!
Give them back, you scoundrel!
Fuck! No, leave me alone!
You'll never get away with this!
I'm stuck.
Ilye ence bratantangen garantan bin artikexel eine World bida.
You shouldn't have stolen from us! You're gonna pay! Oh, no! Please, no, stop! I'm sorry!
I am going to the farm. You handle this thief. I will take my revenge. Dog, I will give you and your owner severe punishment. If you want to see this, subscribe quickly. In the next episode, you will see what I do to them.